Have you ever wanted to use ChatGPT directly from your Linux terminal without opening a web browser? In this video, I will show you how to install and use Shell-GPT on a GNOME desktop. Once it's set up, you can ask questions, generate code, explain commands, and get Linux help all without leaving your terminal. Let's get started. First, update your package list by running sudo apt update.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out.
Next, install pipx, which lets us install Python application in isolated environments. Sudo apt install pipx. Once the installation is complete, run pipx ensurepath. This adds the pipx binary directory to your path so that the installed applications are available from anywhere in the terminal. Now restart your system or simply log out and log back in. I will reboot to make sure the changes take effects.
On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe.
After logging back in, it's time to install Shell-GPT. So run pipx install Shell-GPT. The installation only takes a few moments. To make the sgpt command available system-wide, run the sudo pipx ensurepath -- global.
Stay home, put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a...
Now we need to configure Shell-GPT with our OpenAI API key. Create the configuration directory by typing mkdir-p.config/shellgpt. Then open the configuration file with nano. Inside this file, paste your OpenAI API key, choose the model you want to use, and optionally set the temperature value. The model determines which AI model is used, while the temperature controls how creative or deterministic the responses are. After pasting the configuration, save the file by pressing Ctrl-O, then Enter, and exit Nano with Ctrl-X. That's it. The setup is complete. Now let's test it. Simply type sgpt followed by your prompts inside the quotation mark. For example, sgpt, how Linux terminal works. Or ask it to explain a command, write a bash script, summarize text, generate code, or even help troubleshoot Linux issues. The responses appear right inside your terminal, making it incredibly convenient when you are already working on the command line. One important thing to remember is that Shell-GPT uses the OpenAI API. This is different from ChatGPT Plus subscription. So you will need an OpenAI API key with available API credits in your account. And that's all there it is to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you will use Shell-GPT for. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Linux tutorial.